Hi, my name is Naomi Roundtree. I am the HR Director for Megasports, and we have locations in Canada, the United States, and the United Kingdom. And today we're going to discuss anti-discrimination law and also Megasports policy regarding discrimination. So as we get started today, I think it's best if we define what discrimination is. I think no matter who you are, what your background is, your experiences up to this point, it's a word that evokes some very negative connotations no matter who you are. And it ultimately boils down to a word that can evoke so much emotion, yet has a pretty simple definition. And the definition is listed as the unjust or prejudicial treatment of different categories of people or things, especially on the grounds of race, age, or sex. There are several major federal laws that address discrimination, but given our locations, I wanted to highlight the top three, the biggest ones that we have and that we do have to follow. In the United States, that is the Civil Rights Act of 1969, which is Title VII. In the United Kingdom, it's the Equality Act of 2010, and then in our Canada location, the Canadian Human Rights Act. Each of these laws dictate what discrimination is in the eyes of employment law and what type of scenarios that can occur, such as employment decisions, whether that's hiring someone, firing someone, promotions, transfers, who gets education, who gets training, things of that nature. There's a lot of repercussions for not following those laws, and each of those laws dictates, where that inappropriate behavior lives and how it's defined. And it also discusses those penalties for not following it, which is fines and restrictions on federal contracts and costs associated primarily with litigation. Megasports does not tolerate discrimination in any form. The policy on the anti-discrimination is in our personnel handbook, in addition to steps to follow if you feel that you need to report someone for poor behavior or something that may be suspected as discriminatory. We definitely want to see those reports coming in so it can be addressed, because that is not the company culture that we support. If you have any further questions about our discrimination policy, you are welcome to give me or someone else in HR a call, and we will be here to answer any questions that you may have.